The P0421 code means your car's computer has detected that the catalytic converter on bank 1 isn't warming up efficiently. Bank 1 is typically the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. This inefficiency prevents the converter from properly reducing harmful emissions during the engine's warm-up cycle, failing to meet the required efficiency thresholds set by OBD2 standards. This is a prevalent issue in internal combustion engine vehicles from 1996 onward. The catalytic converter's primary job is to convert harmful exhaust gases from the engine into less toxic substances. These gases include carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and hydrocarbons, which are transformed through chemical reactions. This conversion happens through two main chemical reactions. Oxidation transforms carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons into carbon dioxide and water. Reduction converts nitrogen oxides into nitrogen gas and oxygen. These reactions occur on a honeycomb structure inside the converter, which maximizes surface area for the chemical processes. The honeycomb is coated with precious metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium, which act as catalysts to speed up the reactions. For these reactions to work effectively, the catalytic converter must reach an optimal operating temperature between 400 and 800 degrees Celsius. This heat activates the catalysts and allows the chemical transformations to occur efficiently. Several factors can lead to a P0421 code. A faulty or degraded catalytic converter, often after 100,000 miles, is a common culprit. Issues with upstream or downstream oxygen sensors can send incorrect data, triggering the code. Exhaust system leaks allow unburned exhaust to bypass the converter, affecting efficiency. Engine problems causing rich or lean fuel mixtures disrupt the catalytic process. Vacuum leaks can alter air-fuel ratios, leading to improper exhaust composition. Ignition misfires introduce unburned fuel into the exhaust system. Oil or coolant contamination fouls the catalyst, reducing its effectiveness. Clogged fuel injectors create inconsistent fuel delivery, impacting emissions. Even software glitches in the engine control unit can cause false readings. Begin diagnosis by connecting an OBD2 scanner to the vehicle's OBD port. This tool reads the trouble codes, confirming P0421 and any related codes that might provide additional clues about the issue. Next, monitor the oxygen sensor voltages using the scanner or a multimeter. Check for proper switching between rich and lean conditions, as faulty sensors can send incorrect data to the ECU, causing false P0421 readings. Visually inspect the exhaust system for cracks, loose connections, or leaks. Use a smoke test machine to pressurize the system and detect hidden leaks. Exhaust leaks can allow unburned gases to bypass the catalytic converter, leading to inefficient operation and triggering P0421. Connect a back pressure gauge to measure exhaust back pressure. High readings may indicate a clogged or failed catalytic converter, while low readings could suggest leaks. This test helps determine if the catalyst is restricting flow and needs replacement. Remember that P0421 is typically a symptom code rather than indicating a direct fault with the catalytic converter. Thorough diagnostics are essential to identify underlying issues like sensor failures or exhaust leaks before replacing expensive components. The most common fixes for P0421 involve replacing the catalytic converter, which costs between $500 and $2,500, or the oxygen sensors, costing $100 to $400. Ensure you use high-quality replacement parts to avoid future issues. Recalibrating the ECU through a software update can sometimes resolve the problem, as seen in Ford F-150 models from 2015-2020. After any repair, reset the codes and retest during drive cycles to confirm the fix. Repairing exhaust leaks is critical for maintaining catalytic converter efficiency. Exhaust leaks allow unburned exhaust to bypass the catalyst, reducing its effectiveness and triggering codes like P0421. Underlying engine problems like rich or lean fuel mixtures and misfires can also contribute to catalyst inefficiency by altering exhaust composition. Regular maintenance and using high-quality fuel can help prevent future issues with the catalytic converter and exhaust system. Hybrid and mild hybrid systems are reducing P0421 incidents by minimizing cold starts. The shift to electric vehicles, projected to reach 50% of U.S. vehicle sales by 2030, will eliminate P0421 issues for new vehicles. Advancements in catalyst technology, such as nanotechnology-enhanced converters, could extend lifespan. AI diagnostics will predict failures preemptively, reducing repair times. Experts emphasize that P0421 is a symptom code, not a direct fault, requiring thorough diagnostics to identify the root cause. Regular maintenance, avoiding short trips, and using high-quality fuel can help prevent catalyst degradation. Be aware of misdiagnoses and consider professional diagnostics, which have higher success rates. Also, be mindful of stricter emissions testing regulations from the EPA, emphasizing the need for quick P421 resolutions.